Hi everybody, welcome back to
Kisses!
Today is the 12th of December and that means
and Santa
still waiting on Santa Claus. Today's the 12th of December, so that means we only have 13 days to go till
Christmas!
Yay! Because it's the 12th of December, we get to open door number 12. Where's door number 12? That's 12 right there. You see it?
Yes, we're going to get a girl and we're going to get Santa Claus.
There's door number 12 right there. How about... Well, we'll see. We'll have to find out. Now, kids, if you have an advent calendar, why don't you open door number 12 with us? Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay.
Help me, Mommy.
Okay, let's open door number 12.
A yacht. What's inside?
I don't know. We'll have to find out. Okay.
I really want to go this.
Let's open.
Okay.
Wow! What did we get? Let me see. Let me show the kids what we got. Ooh!
But this was Santa Claus.
What is that? It's like a book. It looks like a gift. That's a book. Looks like a book, doesn't it? That is so cute.
Oh, it's a present.
It is a present too, isn't it? Now, shall we count how many surprises we've got so far now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12! Wow, that's a lot of surprises. We have 12 surprises already? We have to get some more, but we have to wait until tomorrow, won't we, kids?
Yes. Open up. Yes. Play all of them.
Yeah, let's play with all of them. How about you, kids? What kind of surprise did you get today? Why don't you leave us a comment below and let us know, and we'll see you again tomorrow for another Advent Calendar surprise. Bye! Subscribe for more videos, and if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.